do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to.
What's up, guys? No, I'm kidding. I don't do that stuff. It's always weird for me when I haven't been in front of the camera for a while, and then I'm in front of the camera again. It's like an awkward second date. Anyway, so guess what I got? That's right, I got this. An aFe air intake. Magnum Pro Stage 2 or something like that. This is not sponsored. I bought this. Even though I wish it was sponsored. I wish they would have sent me one. But whatevs. I got it. The plan is to put this on and do another dyno run. I don't know if I'll make it to the dyno this week, but we'll make it soon. So let's put on an air intake. So this one's pretty easy. We remove this and we replace it with this. Simple. Let's get to work.
I got to love you every day. I'd like to love you,
Alright, what do we got? Instructions. Restore kit. That's cool. It's got cleaner and some oil. The whole reason I got an air intake is for power. They say I'll get more power, and I want more power. I don't know what else to tell you. Alright, what else is in here? We got some rubber seal, airflow diverter, and some clamps. We got the elbow. And these are technical terms. You don't need to bother yourself with. Rubber sleeve. We got the actual filter. Now this filter comes pre-oiled. You know how I know that? Because I was like, does this thing come pre-oiled? And I called aFe just to make sure. And you can see some oil on there. So yes, pre-oiled. Oh, I'm a moron. It says it right there, factory pre-oiled. Good to know. Good to know. This is the main body of the airbox. Pretty nice. Good quality piece. License plate bracket, a couple stickers, and a brochure. So that's what we got. Did you get all that? I hope so, because I'm not doing it again. Let's put it in. This should be the easiest install I've ever done. Now it won't be, because I said that. But we're gonna do it. I hate when balls get in my way. Who likes that? So I said I wasn't gonna do an install video, and here I am doing an install video. But maybe this one will be different. Because maybe I'll just not explain exactly what I'm doing, but instead fill the space with pointless dialogue, monologue, jibber jabber. Let's follow the instructions. So I'm still getting ready for this HPDE. We just removed the mass airflow sensor, the MAF. I already removed the snorkel. Now we're gonna take this off. Oh, that's easy. I don't think I had to read those. I thought I had to take this off, but I don't. So I'm getting ready for the HPDE, and it's going well, except this morning on my drive to work, my stupid SES light came on. In other words, service engine soon. So that sucks. And I don't want to service the engine soon. I want to race the engine soon. So I gotta diagnose that problem. I had the codes pulled today at the auto parts store, and it is P0495. Does that sound right to anybody? P0492. The code is P0492, which is something to do with the secondary air sensor thing? Secondary air pump. Sucks. Okay? It sucks. Because I don't want engine problems. But I'll check that out in the morning. We'll see if that pump is working. Or if there's just a hose. I just took out the two 10mm bolts by the headlight control unit. I'm removing the stock gearbox. See? Gone. And then we remove this little rubber mount. Gone. Quite spacious. And then we take off the accordion. That's out. Elbow gone. While I have some parts out, figure not a bad time to clean up in here. We take care of our things, maybe they'll take care of us one day. I just like stuff to be clean. This is just soapy water, by the way.
I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Coupler.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
There is two M6 bolts, nuts, washers, and lock washers that we are installing right now.
I'd like to love you, I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Alright, now we're putting a what is called a flow diverter.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
That wonderful piece also blocks the radiator bleed screw. Now we will replace the mass airflow sensor, because first we have to take it off the old one. So to take off the mass airflow sensor from the old one, you need this Torx bit. And the smart fellas at aFe have included it. Thank you, fellas. Okay, now we put this new gasket on here. You know what I hate more than a lot of things? Flathead screws. I think they're pointless. Go with button head, Allen, Hex, Torx, something. I hate them. These seem to be high quality, so we'll give them a pass. But I'm gonna tighten them until the screws are straight. Alright, that's that. I'm almost done. We want to snug over the joint here.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. I'd like to.
I think it looks cool. Alright, filter is in. Wasn't that difficult of an install. So, nice aFe Magnum Force Pro 2. aFe Magnum Force Stage 2 Pro. Right? Anyway, Magnum Stage 2 oiled air filter. We'll see what kind of gains it gets on the dyno, and if the car feels any different, and go from there. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you.